9. Solo hustles that crush in rural areas. Wait, before you write off rural living as a dead end for business, what if I told you there are solo hustles out there pulling in $15,000 to $50,000 per month that only work in the countryside? Yeah, you heard that right. While everyone's fighting over saturated online markets, there's a goldmine of opportunities hiding in plain sight where the competition is virtually zero and the demand is absolutely exploding. Listen, I'm about to blow your mind with 9 solo hustles that are absolutely crushing it in rural areas right now. These aren't your typical start a farm stand suggestions. These are legitimate, scalable businesses that sophisticated entrepreneurs are quietly building while everyone else is stuck in traffic, commuting to their 9 to 5. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you're going to see rural areas in a completely different light. Number 1. Mobile livestock ultrasound services. Here's something 99% of people have never even heard of, and it's absolutely printing money in agricultural regions. Farmers and ranchers need to know if their cattle, horses, sheep, and goats are pregnant, but most can't afford the overhead of expensive ultrasound equipment or the time to transport animals to a vet clinic. That's where you come in. With a portable ultrasound machine, you can get veterinary-grade equipment for around $8,000 to $15,000. You can travel from farm to farm offering pregnancy checks, breeding soundness exams, and reproductive consultations. Here's the beautiful part, you can charge $50 to $150 per animal depending on the service, and experienced operators are scanning 30 to 50 animals per day. Do the math, that's potentially $2,000 to $7,500 per day when you're booked solid. Even working just 15 days a month, you're looking at $30,000 to $100,000 plus in monthly revenue. The startup costs are relatively low, the demand is consistent year-round, and once you build relationships with large-scale operations, you'll have recurring clients begging you to come back. The profit margins are absolutely insane, because your main costs are just fuel and equipment maintenance. Number 2. Specialized drone spraying and agricultural monitoring. Forget basic drone photography, that market's oversaturated. What's not saturated is precision agriculture drone services for crop management. Modern farms are desperate for technology that can identify pest infestations, monitor crop health, apply targeted fertilizers and pesticides, and create detailed field maps. But they don't want to invest hundreds of thousands in equipment and training. You can position yourself as the go-to drone operator for agricultural optimization. With an investment of $15,000 to $35,000 in specialized agricultural drones equipped with multispectral cameras and spraying capabilities, you can charge farmers $150 to $300 per acre for spraying services and $500 to $2,000 per field for detailed crop health analysis reports. A single 500-acre farm job could net you $75,000 to $150,000, and you can complete it in a fraction of the time traditional methods take. Smart operators are pulling in $40,000 to $80,000 per month during peak growing seasons. The beauty? You're providing cutting-edge technology that directly increases farmers' yields and profits, so they see you as an investment, not an expense. Here's an opportunity that's absolutely exploding right now, helping rural properties get high-speed internet through Starlink and other satellite technologies, then monetizing that expertise. Thousands of rural homeowners, businesses, and even schools are desperate for reliable internet, but have no idea how to navigate the options, installation, network setup, and optimization. You become their expert guide. Charge $500 to $2,000 for consultation and installation packages where you assess their property, recommend the best solution, Starlink, fixed wireless, cellular boosters, or hybrid systems, handle the entire setup, optimize their network, and provide training. Add monthly monitoring and support packages at $50 to $200 per client, and you've got recurring revenue. The real money multiplier? Partner with local real estate agents and property managers. Every rural property listing that says high-speed internet available sells faster and for more money. Smart hustlers in this space are doing 10 to 20 installations per month at an average of $1,500 per job, plus collecting recurring support fees from 50-plus clients. That's $15,000 to $30,000 in installation revenue alone, plus another $2,500 to $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Total potential, $20,000 to $40,000 per month with minimal overhead. Number 4. Mobile sawmill and custom lumber processing. This one's a hidden gem that's making people serious money. Rural property owners are constantly dealing with downed trees, land clearing projects, and timber management, but they have no way to turn that waste wood into valuable lumber. Commercial sawmills won't touch small jobs, and transporting logs is prohibitively expensive. Invest in a portable bandsaw mill, starting around $5,000 to $15,000 for quality equipment, and offer on-site lumber processing. You show up at their property and turn their trees into custom lumber, which they can use for building projects, sell, or you can even broker for them. Charge $200 to $500 per 1,000 board feet of lumber processed, plus travel fees. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. The profit potential is absolutely bonkers because you can process 500 to 1,000 board feet per day once you're efficient. That's $100 to $500 per day just in processing fees. But here's where it gets really interesting. Partner with landowners on a revenue split for the lumber itself. High-quality hardwoods like walnut, cherry, and oak can sell for $5 to $15 per board foot. One large walnut tree can yield $3,000 to $10,000 in lumber value. You split that with the landowner, and suddenly you're making $25,000 to $50,000 per month, working just 20 days. Number 5. Regenerative grazing consultation and mobile fencing. Regenerative agriculture is the hottest trend in farming right now, and livestock farmers are desperate to implement rotational grazing systems but don't know where to start. You don't need to own a single animal, you just need to understand the principles and provide the infrastructure. Offer complete rotational grazing setup services, property assessment, grazing plan design, and mobile electric fencing installation. The mobile fencing piece is key because it's labor-intensive and farmers hate doing it. Charge $2,000 to $5,000 for initial consultation and grazing plan design, then $500 to $1,500 per day for fencing installation and paddock setup. Add monthly management services where you rotate the fences for them at $300 to $800 per visit, usually twice monthly, and you've got predictable recurring revenue. Service just 10 farms with ongoing management, and that's $6,000 to $16,000 per month in recurring revenue alone, plus $20,000 to $40,000 in setup fees from new clients. You're looking at $30,000 to $60,000 per month helping farmers improve their land while reducing their workload. Number 6. Rural property glamping setup and management. Here's where lifestyle meets big profit. Rural landowners are sitting on beautiful properties but don't know how to monetize them. You create turnkey glamping experiences for them. Safari tents, luxury yurts, tiny homes, or geodesic domes. And either manage the rentals or teach them how to run it. Your model. Charge $15,000 to $40,000 for complete glamping site design, permitting assistance, and installation of 1 to 3 units. Then offer management services at 20 to 30% of rental revenue, or sell them a complete operating system and charge $2,000 to $5,000 for training and setup. A well-positioned glamping site can generate $3,000 to $8,000 per month per unit on Airbnb and HipCamp. If you're managing properties, just 5 properties with 2 units each means you're taking home $18,000 to $48,000 per month in management fees alone. Add in 3 to 5 new installations per quarter at $25,000 average, and you're pushing $100,000 plus per month. The demand is absolutely exploding as people seek unique rural getaways. Number 7. Invasive species removal and ecosystem restoration. This is one nobody's talking about, but it's a massive opportunity. Rural properties across America are overrun with invasive species, kudzu, buckthorn, autumn olive, multiflora rose, that destroy native ecosystems and decrease property values. Government agencies, conservation organizations, and private landowners will pay serious money to remove these invasives. Start by getting certified in herbicide application. Costs vary by state, usually $200 to $800. Invest in equipment like brush cutters, chainsaws, and targeted spraying tools, $3,000 to $8,000, and position yourself as the invasive species expert. Charge $500 to $2,000 per acre depending on severity, and most properties need 10 to 100 acres cleared. Here's the gold mine. Apply for and broker government grants and conservation funding that's available for this work. Many programs will reimburse 70 to 100% of costs. You charge the landowner $50,000 for 50 acres of work, help them secure $40,000 in grant funding, they only pay $10,000 out of pocket, and you've just made $50,000 on a project that took 2 weeks. Operators in this space are consistently hitting $40,000 to $70,000 per month during the growing season. Number 8. Rural Community Bulk Buying Cooperative Management. This is pure entrepreneurial genius. Rural residents pay significantly more for everything: groceries, supplies, feed, fuel, because they're far from bulk suppliers. Create and manage a buying cooperative where you aggregate orders from rural community members, negotiate bulk pricing with suppliers, coordinate delivery, and charge a management fee. Start small with feed, propane, or groceries. Charge members a $50 to $200 annual fee plus a 5 to 15% markup on products. If you're coordinating $100,000 in monthly purchases across 50-member households and businesses, that's $5,000 to $15,000 in monthly revenue from markup alone, plus $2,500 to $10,000 in annual membership fees, annualized to $200 to $800 monthly. The beauty is scalability. As you add product categories and members, your revenue explodes while your workload stays relatively stable. Successful cooperative managers are pulling in $25,000 to $45,000 per month by serving communities of just 200 to 300 members. You're providing real value by saving people 15 to 30% on necessities while building a recession-proof business. Number 9. Rural Skills Training and Certification Academy. Last but absolutely not least, and this might be the most scalable of all, create a hands-on training center teaching high-demand rural skills: welding, small engine repair, chainsaw operation, tractor maintenance, solar installation, well drilling assistance, or livestock handling. Rural areas are desperately short on skilled tradespeople, and people will pay premium prices for quality training. Charge $500 to $3,000 for weekend intensive courses, or $3,000 to $8,000 for comprehensive certification programs. Run 2 courses per month with 10 to 20 students each, and you're generating $40,000 to $120,000 monthly. Partner with equipment manufacturers and dealers who'll provide equipment for courses in exchange for exposure to potential customers. This dramatically reduces your overhead. The multiple revenue streams are incredible: course fees, equipment sales referrals. Dealers will pay you commissions, online course versions for passive income, and corporate training contracts with agricultural businesses. Once established, this model can produce $60,000 to $150,000 per month with the right systems in place. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.